Hello dear student, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now, I Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to do the exercise of the chapter The Necklace. In the previous two videos, we have read about the story. I have explained it in both languages, Hindi as well as English. Now in this particular video, we are going to do the questions are related to the chapter The Necklace. So in this video, we are going to see short question answer, very short question answer, multiple choice questions, and these all questions are very important. It may come in your board paper, so you all have to watch this video completely so that you cannot miss any single question, and you will achieve the sure success in your board examination. So let's start with the exercise. So you can see the first question on your screen, that is, what was the actual cost of the necklace worn by Matilda to the party? So if you have read the story, you have understood the story, you guys need to answer this question in the comment box. Later on I'll be telling you the answer, but you try by your own first. Answer the thing in comment box. What was the correct answer? You can see here. What was the actual cost? The actual cost was 500 francs. Next question we'll see, how many years of hard work enabled Loisels to repay the loan? What is the correct answer? 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. What would be the correct answer? The correct answer is 10 years. We'll see next question. Mr. Loisel received an invitation from number A, the Minister of Health, number B, the Minister of Home Affairs, number C, the Minister of Sea Affairs, number D, the Minister of Public Instructions. So what would be the correct answer? D will be the correct answer. Let's see. Next question we'll see. Why did Matilda throw the invitation card in anger? What was the reason? If you remember and if you have read the story, answer it. Answer it fast in the comment section box. D. Both A and B. Let's see. That is correct. Next, we'll see. What was the cost of the necklace which Loisel had to buy to replace the lost necklace? Answer it fast in the comment box. I'm just waiting for the answer. Then after I'll give the correct answer, that is 36,000 francs. Let's see. That is correct. So dear student, we have completed multiple choice question. Few more questions we'll take in this video. Now we'll see question, very short question answer and short question answer. The question is on your screen. What kind of person is that is Mr. Madame Loisel? Why is she always unhappy? So you know the answer. The answer is on your screen. As we have read in the story, Madame Loisel is very unhappy and unsatisfied person. She is not happy with her married life, her house, or for that matter anything in her life. She always keeps on dreaming about her life would have been if she were born in a rich house, married in a rich house, and had lots of money to buy things. She's a greedy woman and always keeps on thinking of having more and more things. So this is the correct answer. Now you can take the screenshot of this if you want to make notes. We'll move ahead and we'll see more question. That is, what kind of a person is her husband? किस तरीके का इंसान जो है, किस तरीके का व्यक्ति उसका पति है? Now we'll see the answer. Her husband is very caring and loving man. He is not greedy as he stays happy with whatever he has. He appreciates the little things that life has given him and does not want to see his wife unhappy, for which he sacrifices his own needs. अपनी खुशियों को कुर्बान करके अपनी वाइफ की जितनी विशेष होती है उसको पूरा कर. Third question, what fresh problem now disturb Madame Loisel? So we'll see the answer. The answer is on your screen. Madame Loisel's husband agrees to buy her a dress worth 400 francs and sacrifices his own requirement of buying a gun. But Madame Loisel, being a greedy woman, starts acting strangely and demands jewelry to wear, or else she will not go to the party. है ना. पहले उसने फर्स्ट सी बाउट आउटफिट फॉर हर सेल्फ एंड देन शी स्टार्टेड like demanding for jewelry, and she said if he will not bring, then she will not join the party with him. Now we'll see move and question number 4, how is the problem solved? The answer is on your screen. When she does not agree to wear flowers to the party, her husband suggests her to approach her friend Madame Frostier, who is a rich lady and would lend her jewelry to wear at the party. So you can see the answer. You can take the screenshot as well if you want. Now here we'll see some more questions which are related with this story, and these are very important questions, so we just go through these questions, try to solve it. She suffered from the poverty of her apartment, the shabby walls and the worn chairs. All these things tortured and angered. Who suffered instantly? What would be the correct answer? Try to answer it. That is Matilda. Let's see, check out the answer. That is correct. You can also answer in the comment box. Next question. Oh, the good pot pie. I know nothing better than that. She would think of elegant dinners of shining silvers. She thought of exquisite food served in marvelous dishes. What is the meaning of pot pie? So you can give any answer out of 4. First you answer in the comment box, then I'll tell you the correct answer. So option A savory pie is the correct answer. Let's see correct answer. Now we'll see next third question. One day her husband came back home from work in happy mood, holding an envelope in his hand. He informed her that the envelope was for her and asked her to open it. She quickly drew out a printed card. Who did he receives an invitation from? उसको invitation कहाँ से मिला था? Options are on your screen. Choose the correct option. The Ministry of Public Education, the Ministry of Public Safety, the Ministry of Public Health, the Ministry of Public Instructions. What would be the correct answer? You can answer in the comment section, comment box. The Ministry of Public Instructions is the correct option. Let's see. That's true. So coming to the next question. He was silent, stupefied, in dismay at the sight of his wife weeping. Now what would be the correct answer for this question? Shocked, silent, concerned, surprised. You can answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you the correct answer here also. That is concerned. Correct answer. Now the last question. He threw around her shoulders that modest wraps they had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume she wished to hurry away. Which word in the given extract is a synonym of not expensive? Let's see, check it out. What is that? What would be the correct answer for this? correct answer is modest. Now we'll see some more question from this chapter. Question number 1. He went to the police and to the cab officer and put an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. Who gave advertisement in the newspaper? The correct answer will be Mr. Loisel. We'll see. Check out next question. He turned a little pale, for he had saved just this sum to buy a gun that he might not be able to join some hunting parties the next summer with some friends who went to shoot larks on Sunday. How much money did he save to buy a gun? The correct answer would be 400 francs. Let's check out. We'll see next question. Her necklace was missing and that it might have fallen somewhere. They searched it in the folds of the dresses, the cloak and in the pockets but could not find it. Whose necklace was missing? You can answer in the comment section also. I'm just waiting for your answer. Whose necklace was that? Madame Frostier. We'll see next question. Mr. Loisel had about 18,000 francs which were given to him by his father before his death. He borrowed the rest of the money from different money lenders. He then bought the new necklace from the shop by paying the full amount. What was the full amount paid by Mr. Loisel? That is, you can answer in the comment section. That is 36,000 francs. Now we'll see question number 5. The husband was also in miserable condition, as he used to work extra time in the evenings and often did copying work at night for a small amount of 5 sous a page. How long did the struggle continues for the couple? कितना लंबा जो है ये struggle चलता रहा? You all know that. The correct answer is 10 years. So we have successfully answered all 5 questions. Now we'll see more question. What was the reaction of Matilda after seeing the invitation? The answer is on your screen. You can copy it, you can take the screenshot and you can make a note of these all answers. Mr. Loisel brought an invitation to a fancy ball organized by his boss, the Minister of Education. Mr. Loisel thought that her wife would be delighted to read the invitation, but she was not delighted to see the invitation. She told her husband that she did not have a good dress to wear to that occasion and asked him to give the invitation to his friend. Now we'll see next question. What change came in lifestyle of Matilda after she had lost the necklace? किस तरीके का बदलाव आया? The answer is, after the loss of the necklace, Matilda had to sacrifice all her comforts and even all her needs to get money to buy a new necklace and give it to her friend. Because of overwork, tension and lack of care, she became a physical wreck. Happiness of one night changed her whole life's ways and style. Now we'll see more. Next is, what was the cause of Matilda's ruin? The answer of this question is, the cause of Matilda's ruin was her constant discontentment with her circumstances. It was her sense of frustration which made her and her husband borrow the necklace for the party, which was subsequently lost. We'll see next question. How did Mrs. Loisel manage to replace the necklace to Madame Frostier? The answer is on your screen. In order to repay the debt, Mr. and Mrs. Loisel had to go through several hardships. Mr. Loisel had to work overtime. Mrs. Loisel did away with the maid and did all the household chores herself. The Loisels left their lodgings and lived in a rented room. The Loisels led a very miserable life and repaid the debt in 10 years. Now we'll see next. Why was Mrs. Frostier guilty and upset? So the answer is long, guys. I will now request you to take the screenshot of these answers. I cannot read this long answer. This video will be becoming so longer. So I'll request everyone to take the screenshot of these answers, and you can note it down in your notebook. We'll see next question. Compare and contrast Mr. and Mrs. Loisel. So here is the answer on your screen. Mr. Loisel is married to Matilda and work as a clerk in the Ministry of Education. This answer is again long, so I will request everyone to take the screenshot of this question, this answer, and you can note it down in your notebook. So dear student, now we have completed the exercise of this chapter, the necklace, and we'll now start a new chapter, new topic in coming videos. So I will request everyone to stay tuned with the channel, and do share it with your other friends who are preparing for their board examination. Now we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.